In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate a deactivated Uber driver account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to uber.com and then you want to scroll down to the very bottom of their website until you see Uber and it says Visit Help Center. Click on that a bit over here. And after you do that over here, of course, you want to click on driving and delivering if you are a driver, or of course, what you could do is you could also click on rider over here, okay? So click on any of these two. And then once you do that, down here, you can see all topics. Click on account. And then over here under account, it says can't sign in or request a trip. So you have to click on this one. And then over here, as you can see, you want to click on I can sign in to my account. Now over here, you can basically just read all about why this could be happening. And one of them is that I cannot use my rider account because it has been deactivated. Now, if that's happening to you, make sure you read this. And over here, it says that this can happen because you haven't really been acting with alongside their terms and conditions and their policies. Now, you want to read these through, and then if you actually have done something that you should not have done, then unfortunately there's no way for you to actually reactivate your account. However, if you do still think this is a mistake and that you were completely inside their terms and conditions and policies and you've done nothing wrong, what you should do is scroll down and down here at the bottom where it says that they kindly ask you to fill out the form in case the issue related to your case is not described up here. You want to basically just put in your information over here, your number, your screenshots of your error messages, and then down here at the bottom, your email where they contact you. You want to prove that you're not a robot, and then you want to click on submit. After you do that, you'll basically submit a ticket, a request, and then they will get back to you via the email you provided over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.